Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, there is 75% off select detergent, cleaning products over at Walgreens, and 75% off of candy, and 90% off of As Seen on TV, along with all of the deals we were looking at in yesterday's video are working. And like, I did a $35 basket for almost a $9 moneymaker, which is insane. Let's not forget with Mother's Day, this 8x10 free 8x10 photo with the code PICKWITHMOM. So it printed a register reward for me, a 5 back when you spend 15. So that was really fantastic. You might want to roll the dice with this. I know a lot of you are out there celebrating Mother's Day. You might not have time, but maybe you could swing by Walgreens on your way because some magic is happening. Always ask the cashier, like, hey, are these dumb coupons printing from the machine? It may print, it may not. It's always your mileage may vary, but definitely worth rolling the dice on a free print. And with that being said, I really want to wish all my subscribers a very happy Mother's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if Walgreens is in your plan, well, give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate that, and I really hope that you guys have a wonderful day. If you're a mom or if you are spending time with your mom or both, just have a wonderful day. So this booster, the 7 back when you spend 35, one-time use, and it's been over the last 2 weeks. On my account, I used it last week, but on my husband's, I didn't. So I did a $35 basket on hubby's account, and I will show that at the very end, and it is a fantastic basket, so I'm going to show that at the end if you want to do a $35 basket. Now, we have detergent, candy, and As Seen on TV stuff up to 90% off, and I was like, what? So it's always a your mileage may vary. What's happening here in Michigan and Texas might be the same, but Maine might be completely different. But the only way you're going to know is if you go out and try it. This guy for $1.69. Unfortunately, that dollar digital would not attach. I did try, and this is a larger gain detergent for $2.99. 75% off. A lot of this finish, the stuff to clean your dishes or the pods, 75% off. I tried buying $3 with the $3 digital and it did not work. This is some sort of like environmentally friendly brand of detergent. And Suavitel flowers, 87 cents. So those are all fantastic. I would go right away. When it's 75% off, the stuff gets cleared really quickly. And a lot of these M&Ms that were $1.99, 75% off at 50 cents. And yes, I did check IBOTTA, and yes, I did check digital coupons if something would be stacking to get the huge, Price is Right haul where everything is free. Couldn't achieve that today, but I did look and scan a bunch of stuff, so that's why this video is somewhat delayed. But hey, if you even wanted to get a bag, use some Walgreens cash and give your mom a bunch of candy if this is her thing, it would be, I think, a nice gift. Very practical. But if you want to go fancy, a lot of the Lind and the fancier types of chocolate, 75% off. This box was almost $20, and now it's down to $4.99, 75% off. And let's not forget, As Seen on TV, a lot of this stuff is up to 90, so definitely be on the lookout for that if you want to stock up with this cool stuff. So the first freebie that we're going to talk about is the Shea Moisture Body Spray and the Dove Whole Body Spray. It must be whole body. Just don't grab any sort of dry spray. You really got to pay attention. This morning we got this very generous 10 off of 2 digital coupon that you must load for this deal. And then over on IBOTTA, we're getting $5 back for the Dove, $3 back for the Shea. That's $8 back, guys. Very basic deal, grabbing one of each on a buy one, get one 50% off. That's going to be $18.48. Subtracting that $10 digital, you'll pay $8.48 out of pocket. Get back a $2 register reward, $8 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $1.52 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward and for the IBOTTA rebate as well. And then just to show you what the register reward looks like, here it is, this cute little $2 off or $2 register reward. So happy to have that. And it's got a good long expiry date till the 25th. The next deal we're going to look at is the dial. For this one, you're grabbing 2 of the ladies and 1 of the men's. Very important you grab a men's one. It is 2 for $7, so 3 of them will be $10.50. $5 register reward when you purchase 3. To load this, which is the 2 off of 2, a very nice little coupon, and IBOTTA is giving you back $1 when you buy the men's specifically, and Walgreens is the second store listed. As you're purchasing 3, the 2 are going to attach with the ladies, and then this is your third body wash. Pretty straightforward deal here. 3 of these body washes is $10.50. Subtracting your $2 digital, you'll pay $8.50. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, and you should get back a $5 register reward, making it $2.50 for the 3 or 83 cents per dial. We haven't had a deal like this in a very long time. Again, if you're doing this deal with no boosters, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And just to show you guys, here it is, big $5 register reward, so I'm quite happy with that. The next deal that we're going to look at is the best dental care deal of the week. It is the $5.50 Colgate, so you're going to grab 2 of these, $4 register reward when you purchase 2, and this gem showed up. It's only attaching to the fancier ones, so let's not forget that. So grabbing 2 of them at $5.50 a pop, that's 11. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Scott, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. And this morning we got a little gift, which is $2 digital coupon. So load both of these right away. So at a buy one, get one 50% off, it's going to be $7.50 for the 2. Subtracting the $2 coupons, you're paying $5.50 for the 2, $2.75 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Everybody's favorite deal, the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis are 2 for $8, $4 reward when you purchase 2. Now, as suspected in yesterday's video, we got 3 off of 2s for both of them. So you can do the deal twice, 2 separate transactions, so the register reward will print for you. So 2 of them for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo or conditioner. If you're going to go with the Fructis, you can also get stylers, mousses, gel, that sort of stuff. And again, as stated, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And here is our $4 register reward. Always a beautiful sight when these things print on Sunday morning. The next deal we're looking at is with the Tresemme, $7 a pop, $4 reward when you purchase 2. Also working in concert too with the shampoo is not just the hairspray. We're going to load our best friend, which is the 5 off of 2. But since we barely get deals for hairspray, I know a lot of us want this deal. So grabbing 2 of these for $14, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9, get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Arm & Hammer is $1.99 this week. These tags are from last week, and I didn't remove them while I was at the store. I was just there very early. The $1.99 includes the liquid detergent, the pods, and these scent beads that are usually $7.49. So it's $1.99, which is really cheap. So definitely stock up, friends. And also another superb deal of the week is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens brand freezer bags, sandwich bags. It shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20. If you eat through these like we do at our household, definitely stock up this week. What's a booster? These are boosters. The top one's a paper booster. The bottom one is a digital booster. So I'm trying to get $12 back on a $35 basket because my 7 back when you spend $35 and the top one was a 5 back when you spend $15. This is what I grabbed for it. 2 of those fancy deodorants, 3 dials, and then 2 of the Garnier mousses. And I went with the mousse because, I don't know, I just did. So this was like $36 and some change. And yes, I got the cashier to scan everything. And I'm like, hey, can I just peek at it before you press the final pay button? And she allowed it today. So just to show you the breakdown of this, because it's involving the paper booster and register rewards, you're doing this in store. 3 dials for $10.50, 2 dry sprays for $18.48, and then 2 Garniers for $8 for a total of $36.98. At this time, I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, plus I had my e-booster loaded. I had $15 in digitals coming off, $2 for Dial, $10 for the dry spray, and $3 for Garnier. So with my debit card, I paid $21.98, got back $12 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, the 7 and the 5, $11 in register rewards, and then I photographed my receipt for $9 back from IBOTTA. I got back $1 for the Dial Men's. I got back I think $8 for the 2 different dry sprays, so that was $9. Remember not to use Walgreens cash as you're using 2 different boosters, and you don't want any trouble with that. And just to show you my Ibotta, $1 back for the Dial Men's, $5 back for the Dove whole body spray, $3 back for the Shea whole body spray. And that one has the time ticker of death, so do it ASAP. And these are my gorgeous register rewards that I got today. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.